Yeah! I think I got it. I don't know.
This time,
Okay.
take the cake
He's like, what you doing?
and open up. Then take this.
Okay.
Set it there. Now,
We have to get that dried.
you have room to set the laptop up here. See what I'm saying?
But you need to give him a challenge to reach it. He can't.
Where's the cup?
The cup is too close. This is his cage. That's his cage. It's a full. It's a full capacity. The cup is here. If you see my finger.
Okay, I see the cup. There's the cup. So we got to bring it around this one. Okay, take the cup and do that.
I just give him a challenge.
Okay. It's filming it now? Yeah. So, when that's flashing like that, it's filming it?
Yeah.
So you need to go around there and stop it. And then when he get ready to do it, hit it and come sit down. When you see him go back over because it's set. So just stop it.
Don't stop.
You stopped it?
No.
Yeah, stop it. Because it's going to cut off, ain't it?
No. It could go like forever.
No. Just wait till he get down here.
I love you. I got liver shot in the gravity.
Nah, he might do it. Then he might not because the computer, but
You might grab the picture.
no.
Everybody's feeling good. It was time for the auction so we can start making some money for Janisha. And now to close the door so nobody can get out. Because now we're going to do the live auction. And this is going to be the first big ticket giveaway. Okay, so you get a wine tour and you walk away with 5 bottles of wine.
This is a taste of wine country, y'all. I know y'all not used to that. You can have some Hennessy too.
Okay, we start the bid off. Can I get anybody over here got $125? $125 right here.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I get $175?
Just start it and come sit right back down.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Sorry,
Oh, okay, good. Sit down.
$360. What is that? $360. $425. Can I get $425? Thank you. Can I get $500? What about you over there? Look like Russell Simmons. You.
Yeah, come on, Hustle Simmons.
No, you just want to look like you got his money, huh? I was up there like Don King getting my hustle on. 500, okay? Can I get 550?
This Thursday.
I want to talk to you.
Can you see?
Something.
Is it
There are
good?
2 episodes left.
Wow, I wasn't expecting to hear that. Guy's only 20 years old. Watch it.
It's all these great, the real McCoy. Thursday night on TV One.
We have a pretty big family, and all of us know from the family so we can take them wherever we want. Try our new 4-cheese pasta grilled chicken breast rolls on a fork with grilled sausage, starting at just $9.95. Only at Olive Garden.
Mom, I want an allergy medicine that won't make me drowsy. So then Claritin should.
No, it doesn't shut off. It's just the light.
It's the #1 pediatrician recommended non-drowsy
I
brand.
had
What's
that.
your kids with Claire and Claire?
Also available
Yeah,
in
it
baby
was
syrup.
it was awesome. Ninja. It is commercial.
Don't worry about that, Rocky. You got this. Here we go. It's the sure sign of a good time. It's just right taste and one life. Here we go. You gotta admit that cash.
Find your magic at Macy's Super Saturday Sale with all-day special Saturday. All 14-karat gold earrings are now 65% off. Van Heusen and Via Europa Woven now just $17.99. And clearance Shipping at Macy's.
He tried.
Secret is the leading brand for odor and
Huh?
noise protection. And finally, you can rely on Secret for mineral
He touching it?
odor protection with new Secret Natural Mineral, the naturally
It's not much of a challenge.
odor. Instead of just masking it, new Secret Natural Mineral.
We're in the middle of discovery. It's just on YouTube and we'll be famous.
Why y'all put the cup so close?
Exactly.
Filming him.
We can put this on first with home videos.
You want to cup out just
One by one mascara from Maybelline.
A little bit.
so the feel reaches arm.
So it'll be like this.
Okay. That light just went out.
He's gonna turn it over on that computer.
Yeah, we watching the light on the computer.
Yeah, it's still on though. It won't shut off its cup. Camera's on.
Okay.
That's right. Lovers is just $10.99 only at your
Anybody else love that?
This is a tour of a winery. It's not just somebody. It's not just a bottle of wine.
Okay, can I get 550? 550.
Now we get close to what it's worth.
It's valued at $815. Don't forget why we're here for
Visa to Germany.
cancer. And let me tell you, when you give, you know that you will be blessed. You know you get that back tenfold. Is there anyone out there who wants to give $815? Great. Tatiana, I'll leave you off that. Thank you so very
Just
much.
moved it.
We appreciate it. Thank you. It was happening. The crowd was into it. We just had to keep the energy up.
Show some love for the very talented.
See faces. Yeah, I see. Yeah, the couple said, watch it. Back over here. Let's try that again.
I love you guys.
Come to the stage is a fellow light skiing back in. Friend of ours. He knows some love. Whoa, check it in.
You don't like that perch. Yeah, see what it is.
On this?
That little cup back here.
Come on, let's check the video.
Yeah, check the video. We'll move the cup back. Come on over here.